Hi everyone, I have another question to answer about publishing, and it's a commonly asked question. So the question is number 5, how long does it take to get a book published? Not very long if everything is lined up properly. So the editing process, depending on your book, so if it's a children's picture book, the editing is a lot faster. Editing may only take 2 to 3 weeks. If it's a really good quality, well written, like fiction, 100,000 words or so on, fiction, it can take 2 to 3 months to get that right. So that'll be edited, go back to you as the author, and with all those comments and things for review, come back again, the editor to have a look at it again, go back to the author again, come back again, and then a proofread if we're at that stage, formatting, title page, copyright page, so on, page numbers, all of that, chapters, all of that thing has to be done. The interior has to be formatted perfectly for your book. So it can take a few months if it's, and then, you know, if it's a larger book, it can take a few months just for the editing. But the thing about that to remember is it depends on how long it takes you. When the editor reviews, goes through everything, sends it back to you to work on. Now, some authors are very fast at working on their book. Others may take 6, 7, 8, 9 months. They like to take their time with it. So it depends on you as the person as well. In terms of picture books, well, it can take 12 to 16 weeks for the illustrations to be completed, and then the design to be created, you know, the whole thing to create that book. So the editing may be very quick, 2 to 3 weeks, but the actual illustrations take time. So all in all, about 6 months. You can get it all done in 6 months and into the shops. If you work hard, and you know, but then again, it's down to the author when the author is ready. And as a publisher, you have to wait until the author is ready too. You can't push an author. You just have to wait until they're ready and walk them through each step of the way, each stage of the process, you know. So in answer to the question, how long does it take to get a book published? Roughly about 6 months, but that also depends on how long it takes for you as the author to do the little bits of editing work that are needed for it as well. So it's down to you too. So that's the answer to the question. Talk to you soon.